Welcome, kids. Today, we're going to tell you a fun and exciting story about teamwork and clever thinking. It's called Plans of Animals. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, all the animals lived happily. But one day, they faced a big problem. A terrible drought had dried up all the water sources. The animals decided to hold a meeting. They gathered under the big old tree. The lion, being the king of the jungle, started the meeting. The rabbit said, "I have an idea. We can dig a deep hole to find water underground." The animals thought it was a good plan and agreed to help. Then, the clever crow added, "I can fly high and find the best spot to dig." The animals cheered for the crow's smart thinking. Together, the animals started digging. The elephant used its strong trunk to dig, and the rabbit used its quick paws. Even the crow helped by guiding them from above. After working hard for hours, they finally found water. The animals were overjoyed and celebrated their teamwork. From that day on, the animals learned that by working together, they could solve any problem, and they lived happily ever after. The end. Remember, kids, teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tales. Bye-bye.